Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth and today I'm making a simple block for Christmas. I'm showing you how to make that block, that ho block, and put 3 together. It makes a really cute pillow. Incorporate the block into a quilt if you like. Make a little pillow. Here I'm working on a little version with a smaller size. This is just half the size. The dimensions for the smaller one will be down in the description box below. So let's get started. This is what you'll need for one of the ho blocks. You'll need to make 3 of these. So for the H, you'll need 2 whites that are 6 inches by 2 inches. You'll need 1 little 2-inch by 2-inch square, and the reds are 2 inches by 2.5 inches long, just a little bit longer. Then for the O, you'll also need 2 6-inch by 2-inch white strips. These squares are 2 inches. And then this middle piece right here is 2 inches by 3 inches. Then you'll need squares for the corner. We're going to add some triangles for the corners with little 2-inch squares. We'll be sewing a diagonal line, pressing and trimming. So that's what you need for your block. So we're going to sit down at the sewing machine, put the H together, and then we'll put the O together. First, I'm going to work on the middle of the H. And when I go to my pressing station, I will be pressing towards the red. And that's it. Our H is ready to go. Now let's work on this O, which is a tiny bit more complicated, but not too much. Let's put a square on the top here, and then I want to sew through the middle. I'll be trimming this off right here and pressing that out. Again, I'm going to try to get the red fabric pressed towards the red fabric.